I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to put together a crab encrusted halibut in one pan, 1.5 pans, mainly in one. Let's start.
Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy taking you on a culinary journey to make your favorite foods. Follow along on screen where you can see me making this with ingredients and amounts on screen while I tell you about this crab cake crusted halibut recipe. I'm showing you an incredible seafood dish that screams Alaska. You might have heard it referred to as crab encrusted halibut or crab crusted halibut, but I consider it a crab cake encrusted halibut. The mild halibut is tender and flaky with the crunch coming from the garlic parmesan and crab crust that is pan fried and topped with a parmesan cream sauce. You will see it served over buttered asparagus and sherry buttered mushrooms. This recipe is amazing. I show you now, step by step. In the end, you see my honest reaction as I take the first bite of this easy recipe. The best time of year to make this is March through November when halibut is fresh. This competes with the season of Dungeness crab that runs November through February, but I recommend getting the halibut fresh and crab frozen. Crab is more forgiving than halibut, especially in this recipe. I chose Dungeness because of the sweet flavor of the meat. It is also a solid source of omega-3 fatty acids. Halibut is mild with white flaky meat rich in micronutrients and many health benefits. Look here, I season the halibut with salt and pepper. While in the back, you see the 3 bowls I dredge the halibut in. The flour is the first. The flour binds to the halibut, giving the batter a surface to stick to. Each coating will cover the halibut well. The third bowl is the crab mixture. This will be pressed into the halibut and stick to the egg coating. It is easiest to put a small amount of crab on the counter, lay the halibut on it, and cover it with more crab. You need to gently press the crab into the halibut to get it to bind to the halibut. Some of the crab will fall away. It is okay. Just pick it up and press it back on. I want you to have the pan heated on a medium temperature and add some butter. Our goal is to cook the crab to a light golden brown crust. The halibut will still be raw. Sauté it for a couple of minutes on one side, turn it over, and gently place the pan into a preheated oven for about 10 minutes to finish. It is looking delicious. Here is one of the final steps before finishing it and my reaction at the end. This is a basic Parmesan cream sauce that will go over the crab crusted halibut. Do you like the cast iron pan or other equipment you see in this video? You can find links to them in the description below. Yes, even some of the equipment I used to make this video, like the camera or lighting. With these links, you get a good price. The brands are La Crusade, Ninja, Shun, and some others. Who invented crab-crusted halibut? It's difficult to know, as the dish has likely been prepared by different chefs over time. However, crab-crusted fish dishes have been around for a while, with variations appearing in cookbooks and restaurant menus since at least the 1990s. The exact origin of the dish is unknown, but it has obviously originated in coastal regions where both crab and halibut are commonly found. I finished it. Here it is. And some crab, Dungeness crab. It's gonna take a little bite right here. Gotta have this. If you want to see more recipes like this one, look right up here. Click on this next video now. It's right there.